Okay, so I just wanted to show everybody what I got for what I'm gonna make for Christmas presents. I'm gonna use these stencils. I got this at Walmart, and I'm gonna use stencils to make some ornaments. And I'll show you what I got so far. So I got these dog and cat stencils, and I think they were like $3 to $4 for just this. Then I got these glitter stick things, pipe wire things, and I got those for like, I think about 97 cents plus tax. And then I probably should have used fabric paint since I'm going to be using fabric, but I got acrylic paint because it was glittery. But I got this, and I think it was like $4 or something. And I got red, and I got gold. And then I got, for 32 cents each, I got these fabric sheet things. And I plan to make ornaments. So what I'm planning to do is, I'm planning to use these stencils and put them on the fabric, and then use the paint to paint on them, and then use these for the little hook hanger thing, as a hanger thing, and I have to cut them out. And so I'm hoping this will make at least 20. Looks like it's going to make about, let's see. It looks like it's going to make about 9 or 10 ornaments or more per sheet. So I probably didn't need 4, but they were 32 cents each. So, and I spent a total of about like, I think it was like about $20 on everything. And I will definitely try to let you know how they turn out. And I plan to do, like, for example, we have this dog. I plan to do like that, and then on the front with some of the colors of acrylic paint, and then do it over top of the black fabric. And so then I plan to do on one side the dog, and then the back side like 2025 or 2026, because I might give it to them next year. But yeah. And so then, yeah, so that's like a cheap little gift. I've been planning on making gifts instead of buying them. But these will last me like, I probably won't use the whole thing. So I'll probably use like it was really, really cheap what I got all this stuff for to make the ornaments, Christmas ornaments. And so yeah. And then let's see. My niece is she turned 2, I think last week or last weekend. And so we're going to her party this weekend. And so I'm trying not to get sick because they don't want sick people there. My brother and my sister-in-law, they have a newborn, so yeah, they've got 3 kids now. They want 6, but I don't know if they're gonna have that many. But yeah, let me know what type of DIY gift I should do next for Christmas gifts. And so this was like a really, really cheap, budget-friendly gift. Like, I can probably make like 25 to 30 or 40. Well, I don't have enough glitter sticks, so I'll probably just be able to make 25 out of these. But like, I can make like 25 for like really, really cheap, and I could give them to like 25 people. And so I feel like heartfelt gifts, like handmade gifts, are what really are. I feel like it's better than buying gifts. And so, yeah. And then I did get my niece Emma this for her birthday. I showed it in a previous video, but I printed it out at the library. I found a picture of Balto's daughter, Alu, and then that might be Cody, but I'm not sure. Or it could be like Dingo or somebody. I don't remember. But, well, actually, I don't think it's Dingo, but it says Happy Birthday, Emma. And that's what it looks like. And I printed it out for 15 cents. So, I feel like handmade cards and heart cards that are homemade are really good. Because, like, they're cheaper than store-bought cards, and they're just, like, more heartfelt. They may mean more.